welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up of yourself. Happy Sunday. Didn't plan to go far this morning, guys, because I wasn't really set up for fishing this weekend. I have a friend visiting in town, so he kind of have me kind of occupied, guys. So all said and done here, I'm gonna get my lures out. I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. I had one in here yesterday that I was using yesterday, guys, my spoon, but I don't think I'm gonna use a spoon this morning. I'm gonna use a high vis this morning, guys. High vis lure this morning, and get in here and see if I can pick up a snook this morning, guys. I got this little Yazori right here. I've caught fish on it before, especially in this river, but I'm gonna go with a high vis pink today, guys. Snook likes the pink. I don't know why. Them and Barra love the high vis colors. So I'm gonna get this leader untangled here. Get my leader connected up, guys. So I put a snap swivel on the end of my lures, my leader line, guys, so I can change off lures quicker. So I could just connect my leader into my snap swivel and I'm good to go. So here we go, we got lured up. Get our tackle box closed up. That in there. And let's get our bag across our back here, guys. Let me switch it. I'm gonna keep him sideways today. I don't have my chest strap on, so I'll just work with my bag like this, guys. I have no ice in the cooler, but let's get busy. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. So okay, look on the big fish up there, so. Me a hold him now, brother. I'm a video, I try to do it for my channel still, you know.
Which channel?
Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, me that, man. So what I do, I mimic the baby fish them. For big fish grab it, you see me? So they swim like one baby fish. So I'm go on imitate an artificial fish. Try not get caught up in that trees out there. Say, you up there, you know? Fish on. Fish on. Snook. Fish on. I've been doing this a long time, bro. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We got ourselves a snook this morning, what we came out to hunt for. This is what's up. Let's see what else we can pick up, guys. I told you it was in there. Yeah. So I'm a G, take care. Yeah, guys, got ourselves a nice snook this morning, mangrove snook. Let's get him up. Let's get him hooked. I'm on Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. Alright, guys, I'm gonna see if we're gonna pick up something else right here. Some of my favorite casting spots. Yes, Ella. Yeah? I catch one big snook look while, man. Yeah. Yeah, they in there, man. So a nice size one in there. Fish on. Making shore fishing. Another snook, guys. What the hell? Ah, man, this is a small one, guys. I'm gonna put this one back. He's too small. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Got a little small one. Alright, let's put him back. He's too small. Let's get him back. Hey, I got a bigger one in the cooler, but he's small. I'm gonna put him back. He's kind of small, you know what I mean? Get back in there. Here, guys. Yeah. Snook hunting this morning, guys. This is so fun. They're such awesome fighters, these fish. Jamaican shore fishing. I can hear the snooks underneath me, guys, because they like to chill on the edges. They like to hang out next to the bushes underneath the trees, the mangroves, and stuff like that. I can hear them, but I can't grab them. I got to get up in those bushes and work my way back to me to get a good pickup on these guys. Sometimes, guys, they're tricky. Snook on, another one on, guys. Fish on, guys. Knew they was out there, guys. Mangrove snooks, guys. Larry, another one. Third one. Huh? On down. Hey, Snooky. All right. Snook 2. Hey guys, that's what's up. We still got a little bit of time left. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. He hit it over there one time, guys, and then worked it. When I was working it back, he hit it the second time. I don't know if there was more than one of them. Hit it the first time, missed, came back the second time, definitely struck it pretty good. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing.